just a short one this time. My 06 F450 with the 92 Cummins. It won't shut off when I turn the key off. So, obviously, the culprit is this little guy here, the shutdown solenoid, and this little tip has eroded. So, I'll change that out and see if we can make it work. Alright, well, you're going to have your magnet to get this out. When you pull the shutdown solenoid out, this stays behind because it's not held in. But you can see, obviously, the seal is ruptured. So hopefully this fixes the problem. Alright, when you go to put your new one in, take this spring out of here. Alright, so wonderful news. I lost the spring because I put the plunger in first and then the spring, and then this didn't have enough clearance to go in. So I had to use the old spring. And what I have done is put some dielectric grease on there to hold the plunger in, hopefully long enough to get it into the freaking pump. So we'll see how that goes. All right, well, short video, but it really was a pain in the ass to change the shutdown solenoid on this VE pump. So let's see if it worked. Seems to have worked. Hopefully it isn't leaking. Let me see if it's leaking. Well, it doesn't appear to be leaking, so I'm going to shut it down.